Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's a Tuesday. Aldi was closed on my normal Monday grocery haul, so I'm back at Aldi to get my week of groceries, and I'm kind of grateful that the holidays are in the past. I love the holidays, but I'm ready to get back into a normal routine, normal meal planning, and that starts this week. So let's get the first haul of 2024. I'm getting these deluxe mixed nuts. They're $12.99. My son loves to snack, and he loves nuts, so it's nice to have things like this on hand that it's easy to say yes to. Salsa con queso for $1.89. We're having Crunchwrap Supremes for our Crunchwrap dinners. And just to eat, my daughter is still recovering from tonsillectomy, and this will be a really nice soft food that she can eat that isn't sweet. She's getting very sick of sweet foods. So I'm gonna get 5 avocados at 49 cents a piece. My husband texted me this morning and asked me to get oranges, so we're gonna get these. They're $4.49. Bananas, we just get sick of them and then we go in streaks. My kids want bananas again, 41 cents. I'm making Greek bowls and I need lemons, $2.99 for the whole bag. I wish I could just buy a couple. $4.39 for a container. My kids all love it. $1.89 for shredded lettuce for the Crunch Wraps. $3.49 for kale for the Greek bowls. I need a dozen eggs. We're having breakfast for dinner this week. And then, of course, my dog gets an egg every day. And we're just running a little lower. I'm making a creamy vegetable soup. It's supposed to be like what they serve at Dolly's Stampede in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. $2.55 for my tonsillectomy patient. So the Dolly's Stampede soup that I'm making calls for a can of vegetables. I'm gonna make a large batch, so I'm getting 3 cans. They're 95 cents a piece. Beets for Greek bowls, $1.49. I'm making soft breakfast potatoes, and these work really well for that. I'm actually gonna get 5 cans, 95 cents a piece. Again, for the tonsillectomy patient. I'm going to get 4 cans of black beans, 77 cents a piece. I'll use these in the Crunch Wraps, but also just to have on hand. And green beans, I'm gonna get 4 cans at 63 cents a piece for my dog. I need Kalamata olives for the Greek bowls, $2.09. Garlic and herb Parmesan pita chips, $2.29. We're gonna just have these on the side of our Greek bowls with the tzatziki or the hummus. So yummy. Elsie has been craving French toast sticks and pancakes, which I'll be getting today, but we need more syrup, $5.49. The planners are in, that's the big thing. There's a lot of Christmas mess here, but they have these planners that are dated. They have other undated planners that are $8.99. And then they also have weekly planners. So there's so many different ones. They also have laminating pouches. Lots of cool planning items. But I really like the undated ones because you can start them whenever you want. Really nice size too. This is the design I like for this one. I do already have a planner. I'm not gonna get one, but I love it. The fitness stuff seems like it was really well received and taken. Lots of items are gone. Pretty messy. Not much new since I was here right before Christmas. They have different kids stuff on clearance. They have Lego on clearance. Kind of tempted by this one. They're $6.69. But my son already put this together from Christmas. He loved it. Okay, more holiday markdowns. The charcuterie stuff that's left. They also have the Stroop waffles. I haven't bought these yet this season. $2.61. I'll probably get some of this. I can't resist a markdown, and I love these. Also, jalapeno jack or white cheddar, feta, yum, garlic. I think I'll probably try these ones. That sounds good to me. $2.23. Okay, I'm getting large tortillas for the Crunch Wraps. These are the burrito size, $1.95. I already have the tostada shells at home. Okay, I'm going to get this 4 cheese sauce, $2.09. And I'm getting spaghetti noodles, something again soft and different, $1.88. Elsie's gotten really sick of cold and ice cream and popsicles. And we need more Parmesan. $2.95 for the shaker. I honestly don't know if we've ever bought. I usually make Alfredo, but Elsie wanted me to buy some just so she can have it like here and there as she wants it. I'm gonna see what flavors. I'll probably get the 4 cheese of that as well. $2.15. We went to make something and it called for shortening. We didn't have any shortening at the house, and I'm not seeing shortening. Does Aldi not sell shortening? It's not an ingredient we use frequently, so I guess I'm just a little stumped that they don't have it. That very much surprises me. Wow. I don't know if Elsie will eat this, but it looks really good to me. I love lentil soup. She likes lentil soup, but I'm gonna get this as an option too for her. $2.25. I was really hoping I'd find some clearance chicken with them being closed yesterday. I always feel like after a holiday, they lost another day to sell meats, but that's not the case. But I'm not here right at the morning, so they could have had it. Oh, wait. Hey, look. Yes. I'll get this. I'm making chicken this week, so it'll be $5 for this pack. Very happy with that. It's the only one, but yay, dreams come true, guys. Okay, these salads are on clearance too. $2 off of $2.89. I didn't plan to buy one of these, but it'll be an easy addition to my meal later. I will take advantage. So I'm just gonna get one. Later when I have dinner, I'll just have the salad with it. Okay, I'm getting the spinach parmesan tzatziki, $3.39. I absolutely love this stuff. I also need feta for my Greek bowls, $1.69. I'm also going to get some of this shredded parmesan, $2.45. I'm gonna make broccoli and put this on it. Hummus is great with Greek bowls, with the pita chips, vegetables, $2.49. I'm gonna get the $2.49 medium cut salsa. My husband loves this. It'll be great with crunch wraps, chips. We have all the holiday meats. We have the tot still, different pizzas. Those look kind of interesting to me. I heard that this is really good. I saw that on an Aldi Facebook group. $3.99. Greek style spinach and cheese or cheese and tomato. I'm not sure what those are. Has peasy. Lots of Greek items. Spinach and cheese pie, that looks yummy. Empanadas. Circles. Still pretzels over there. Rice balls. Swedish meatballs. Other meatballs. Lots of yummy things. The dessert case looks pretty similar to what it has been. Even though we have lots of cheddar, my daughter requested I get more of this, $2.89. I'm getting 2 bags of the broccoli. I'm gonna steam them both, and then one of them I'm gonna roast after I steam it with Parmesan cheese, $1.09 a bag. Okay, I'm getting cinnamon French toast sticks, $3.99. And pancakes for $3.59. My daughter really wants to eat these, and I know the pancakes will be soft enough. We'll see if she can eat the French toast sticks yet. Eventually, if not yet. Whipped topping for hot chocolates, 99 cents. I'm gonna get 2. These are hidden up front, but I love this red cabbage with apple, $2.49. We're having mashed potatoes, chicken, gravy for dinner this week with broccoli, and I'm adding this. I'll be the only one that probably eats it, but it sounds so good I don't even care. I really want to get these. They're $2.99. They're so good, but we have so many holiday sweets, I need nothing. This aisle is chucked full, and none of it is remaining Christmas items. There's more of the planners, lots of fitness items. Christmas, there's very little Christmas left behind. And that's not even clearanced out. There's also lots of different foods over here. Oh, New Year's Eve chocolates. I think I'll probably get it. I'll get this to share with my family tonight. $1.19 on clearance. Worth it to me. I see why they clearanced out the other olives, because they have a whole variety of new ones here. Pimento, blue cheese, jalapeno. Hey, they have some new lentil soups here. I'm gonna stick with the first one I got because I thought that looked pretty good still. But this, I don't know, this one actually looks pretty darn good too. Heck, I'm gonna get them both. $2.99 for this. Okay, so here is my cart. Any guesses on my total? I scan those last so they can come do the discounts, and then I'll be ready to check out. Okay, got my discounts. My total is $121.23. I realized when I was checking out I did not get butter, so $3.69 single checkout item. Okay, got the butter. Now we can go home and see the meal plan. Okay, I'm back from shopping, and here's my meal plan for the week. Since it's Tuesday, I'll start with today's. We are having the Dolly's Stampede vegetable soup. I'm making homemade biscuits with that. Very much looking forward to that comforting, soft, warm meal. We're having breakfast for dinner. I'm gonna make those soft breakfast potatoes. Usually I try to get them pretty crispy, but I'm gonna let them stay really soft. I'm gonna season them well, onion, butter, and then I'm also making blueberry pancakes with that. We're gonna have crunch wraps. My daughter requested this, my oldest daughter, so we make them with black bean or taco meat. Everyone can individualize what they want on top. We'll have chips and salsa. If you remember, I bought 4 giant bags of tortilla chips on clearance right after Christmas, or right before Christmas. Which one was it? I don't remember. We're gonna have spaghetti. I'm gonna have steamed broccoli with that, and just the red sauce or the Alfredo sauce. Very simple dinner. Again, it's soft. In case you're wondering, the crunch wraps aren't soft, so my daughter will be able to have like black beans or rice and whatever toppings she wants, kind of make a bowl. She obviously has to miss out on the wrapped part. Saturday, we're gonna have mashed potatoes, gravy. I'm gonna make broccoli with Parmesan cheese, and some of it will be soft, but the Parmesan cheese will make it crispy, and then I'm gonna have pan-fried chicken with that. And then Sunday, I'm gonna have Greek bowls. I make Greek chicken with red onions. We then have cauliflower rice, all the different toppings. Everyone can make a bowl exactly how they want it. I also make like a lemony dressing. Very yummy. It's one of my favorite meals. And then Monday, I will go grocery shopping again, but I plan to have leftovers next Monday. It's my kids' first day back to school. It's gonna be a busier day. We actually have a follow-up appointment for the tonsillectomy. Leftovers are what's gonna win that day. So this is my meal plan for the week. Any recipe that I use will be linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.